connecting.
She's connecting?
Yes, sir. Or MMA thumb rule is we start on time.
Yes, I
Even
will,
the
sir.
speaker doesn't come, we start. If speaker doesn't, we speak.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. She's connecting.
Because time
Yeah,
is
yeah.
very, very important.
Yeah, I understand.
So once she joins, ma'am, you can start, Dr. Barkat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening,
How often
sir.
you come to India, Hema?
I come very often, but not thanks to COVID. I haven't come for 2 years. Last was July 19.
Hi, Lata, good evening. Good to see you.
Good evening, Dr. Lata.
You have to unmute yourself.
I said I've been here for the last 5 minutes. I was listening to you. I just put on the camera.
Oh, really? You're listening to me? Okay. I was telling Hema, sharing our experience, what we do.
Yeah, you wanted your staff to join. I was listening.
Yes, yes. I know that's the only way of continuous learning, no? Because though they are good, but some of the thing what they're given in the content is very, very useful for everybody. I wish if I get time, I would like to attend this course. No, the taker.
Yeah. So the thing is, she has to start very elementary because it's a wide group of people, wide cross section of people, from very, from beginners in English to some of them are good. So she has to fashion it correctly.
Yes, yes.
So, Barkat ma'am, I think principal is joined. Let's start.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes.
Good evening.
Can I start, sir? Can I start now?
Please start.
Good day to one and all present here. I deem it a great pleasure to welcome all of you for the 16-day certificate course on spoken English for college students organized by Madras Management Association in collaboration with our college, the Justice Bashir Ahmad Syed College for Women, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. This session is envisioned to provide knowledge and skill-based learning in spoken English, which is a core expected need of the hour with respect to education and career. Taking our evening further, to deliver the introductory note, we have with us our beloved principal, Dr. Shahnaz Ahmed, of the esteemed organization, Justice Bashir Ahmad Syed College for Women. I feel so lucky that I am having an opportunity to talk about ma'am and her achievements. She joined the Department of Physics in the year 1996 and was the head of the department since her date of joining. She has been exceptional professor and paved way for many to graduate with excellence. She took a big leap by becoming the principal of her college in the year 2014. Hard work never goes unnoticed and unacknowledged. Every year, the achievements in the timeline of the college speak about her impact, influence, and inspiration in achieving goals. Under her leadership, the college has attained college with potential for excellence status granted by the University Grant Commission, 47th rank in National Institutional Ranking Framework, and award of Star College status with a grant supporting 5 science departments. She provides able guidance and noble support to all the operating committees with the college. She has shown exceptionally outstanding results, remarkable achievements in academics, co-curricular activities, and extracurricular activities. Ma'am is a dynamic, dedicated, honest, and sincere leader who has transformed the college in many aspects. She has steered the staff and the students at all times, and a special mention even during this pandemic. Her profile is exhaustive, and I have highlighted a few. I'm also happy to welcome Dr. Firdaus Jahan, our Vice Principal of Justice Bashir Ahmad Syed College for Women, who is very supporting, vibrant, and easy to approach person behind the screen of all our activities. Thank you. I request our Principal, ma'am, to take over. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Barkat. Respected Captain R. Vijay Kumar, Executive Director of Madras Management Association, Captain Dr. R. Venkatraman, General Manager, Madras Management Association, the facilitator of this certificate course, Ms. Hema Krishna from USA, the Vice Principal, Dr. Firdaus Jahan, Dr. Barkat, Head of the Department, faculty members, and my dear students. Warm greetings to all. It gives me immense pleasure to render my felicitation to the Department of Business Studies and the MMA for identifying an excellent certificate course for our students on spoken English. I'm glad to state that our college, Justice Bashir Ahmed Said College for Women, is associated with MMA since 2017 through institutional membership and student chapter member. A MOU was entered between MMA and the Department of Business Studies, comprising of BCom General, Corporate Secretaryship, Information System Management, Accounting and Finance, Honors, and the Department of Business Administration. This MOU has opened doors for all of us to engage with each other directly, to develop knowledge and enhance strategies to connect the opportunities. The college has organized many events in collaboration with MMA, like workshops, seminars, special lectures, and value-added courses for our students. And I express my sincere gratitude to Captain Vijay Kumar, Executive Director, Madras Management Association, and Captain R. Venkatraman, General Manager of Madras Management Association, in establishing the collaboration. Their insights and goodwill have made our association strong and fruitful. I'm extremely happy to note that Madras Management Association has chosen and sponsored our college first for this spoken English course. Communication is vital to every relationship in our lives. Words are very powerful. They can build relations, improve businesses, or they can bring pain and spoil relations. So think like a wise man, but communicate in the language of the people. MMA has chosen a right course, a certificate course for our students. I'm very happy and thankful to MMA for this. And MMA has shared a lot of expertise with our institution, and this webinar is not an exception. I take this opportunity to thank the facilitator of this course, Ms. Hema Krishna, a veteran in teaching spoken and communicative English for over 15 years. I wish her the best for the conduct of this course. I'm happy to note that our students are given golden opportunity to excel in their chosen fields with this excellent communication. I'm confident that through our efforts and commitment, we will be able to achieve more and more and continue to develop even stronger association. With this note, I thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Barkat. Thank you.
Sir, you can take over the session.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Barkat. Thanks, Dr. Shehnaz, for joining us this evening and giving us your perspective. Thanks to Dr. Firdaus and all the college management for giving us this opportunity. May I welcome Group Captain Vijay Kumar. As you're all aware, he's Executive Director of Madras Management Association. He's been heading this organization since 2007. He's a former Air Force officer and also a Presidential Award winner, Vasisht Seva Medal. We also joined by Ms. Lata Kumar, without whose support this program would not have been possible. She heads this organization called the Tanushka Educational Trust, and that is a supporting organization for this program today. And of course, you're all aware that Ms. Hema Krishna joining us directly from US at this point of time. She will be facilitating the program for the next 16 days. So without further ado, may I request Group Captain Vijay Kumar to make his opening remarks and inaugurate this session, please.
Hey, good evening, Venkat. Good evening to everyone, Hema and Barkat, and also Dr. Shehnaz who joined us. And Lata, special welcome to you too. And Lata has been a part of our Women Business Forum. We do a lot of work for empowering women. I don't want to take too much of time. You all come to listen to Hema. All that I want to say is, spoken English communication is very important. I want to share, that's very important because I want to share from my personal experience. Now, Tamil medium na padichana. I was a student of PSA school. I studied Tamil medium. My English alphabet was taught to me only from 6th standard. And I could do exceedingly well in Air Force and travel all over the world and become a staff officer, which is a very, very prized appointment in the Indian Air Force, because I could develop my English communication skill, both written and oral. All this could happen because one father from Vela College really helped me out to really show the way. I don't want to really bore you what he tell me, how I worked and how I went through life, because today is a changing opportunity for each one of you. Because we picked up people who are really in need of English communication. That we picked up only few colleges because it's an ACSY system, ACSY investments, CSR initiative. Because some corporates are supporting with CSR funds to train the people who are from needy from different things. We do mainly from the schools only, where government aided schools. We have made some exception to also go to the college students who really need this and who can really make the change in their life, because one of the skills they must really develop is spoken written English. And that's what I want to say. And there are so many things which I can share with you. You're all really privileged. You have been selected to join this course with Hema. I've seen the curriculum and content. Be sincere, join on time, and today is the only time where we are taking a little bit of more time of yours. And I'm quite sure this is all needed, because when you do something, we really wanted to inaugurate in a formal manner so that the sponsor, the people who are supporting us also get the feel, yes, the due importance has been given to the course, not only to the content, the form also very important for any successful activities and whatever we do in our endeavor. Thank you, Lata, for really introducing Hema. That is a great beginning, and we are going to continue to engage with
Our pleasure to work with you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yes. And over to you, Venkat, to take it forward. And we wish all the students all the very best. And you are lucky enough to be chosen to attend this course. Make the best of it. And all the best and good luck. Over to you, Venkat.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for this very, very elusive, short but very, very meaningful talk that you gave. I'm sure it has encouraged the students to take this course seriously and make the best of it. So let me now very briefly introduce Dr. Lata. As I told you, she heads this organization called the Tanushka Education Trust, which is facilitating this program for us. So Dr. Lata Kumar, she is a PhD in Communication, Department of Mass Media and Communication. She also done a postdoctoral research from Wine University, Australia. Otherwise, she is a MA in Communication from University of Madras. So she's got a long corporate career as well, close to about 15 years. She was in advertising industry. Then she came on to do some academic work. She's been working as guest faculty at very many institutions, including Anna University, Loyola Madras University, NIFT, and so many other institutions. 2014 onwards, she started her own company called The Curious People, and she's been a freelance advertising consultant. Along with that, she runs this NGO which is supporting us this today. So, as you are all aware, this entire effort is also supported by the Access Investments Private Limited, who are the primary sponsors for the event. May I now request Dr. Lata to make her opening remarks before we hand over the session to Ms. Hema, please.
Thank you, Captain Vijay Kumar and Captain Venkatraman. As I mentioned earlier, this is a unique opportunity for us to do something worthwhile. We are quite excited about it because Tanushka, to give you a very brief introduction, it's been in the area of education, school and college level, primarily to support and enhance areas of education which are challenged in some way, financially and otherwise. Most of Tanushka's program is based on peer learning model, but because of the pandemic, we've switched to an instruction mode. So otherwise, normally Tanushka activities, and hopefully we will work more with the MMA. We will have volunteers of similar age groups participating in the teaching process. And we believe that peer learning is very important. And we are using a lot of peer learning techniques even in the current program, which Hema has designed for us. I want to say something very important about MMA. I mentioned this yesterday as well. It has been a unique experience interacting with MMA. I've never seen an organization that is so quick to respond and so from thought to finish, an idea it moves at jet pace. If you blink your eye, it's gone out of your window. So the thing is, we never expected, Hema and I never expected that from the time we thought of this program till the execution and today, it's only been 2 weeks. I don't think any other organization is capable of, it involves hierarchical approvals and, so many other things. So I think I would congratulate MMA and, the people involved in MMA, all of you, to have made this possible in such a short time.
Yes, thank you. I second her.
Yes, and I think Captain will give an introduction about Hema. So I just want to mention one thing. For her, this is about giving back, which is why she's willing to do it early in the morning from the USA. Uh, this is her passion. She's been wanting to teach exactly this segment of students who are struggling, who need English to go to the next level. So spoken English is not just about communication. It is not just about conveying what you think. It, in an organization, it could make the difference between making something work and, the difference between losing out on projects and accomplishing tasks. Because sometimes your ability to exactly express yourself decides what kind of projects you're in, decides what kind of clients you meet, and decides also your ability to put the team together. So it's really a people skill more than just talking or writing. It is about understanding human behavior and putting yourself together, putting your best in the organization. For that, unfortunately, we do need English, and it's easy to say any language will do, but unfortunately, it won't do. And in today's world, and in India, which is very diverse in multilingual, English has become a common thread for us. So I think English would help any student in any field, including doctors. I have actually heard that some of the hospitals have training, English training for junior doctors who have done their house surgency in remote areas, so that they're able to communicate better with patients. So in every walk of life, English speaking and writing is going to be important. So with that, I hand over my back to Captain to give an introduction about Hema. Thank you very much for this opportunity. We are really excited about this.
Thank you, Dr. Lata. Thanks for joining us once again, taking time from your busy schedule. Students, while I introduce the facilitator, Dr. Ms. Hema, who's going to be with you for the next 15 days, I request all of you to switch on your video cameras by then. And Dr. Hema, Ms. Hema, you can see Ms. Sukanya is there. She will be the coordinating person. She's assistant professor in this department. She would help you out in coordinating the entire program, and I just want to introduce that. So let me briefly introduce Ms. Hema. Meanwhile, once again, I'll request all the students to switch on your video cameras, please. Yeah. So Ms. Hema Krishna, she is currently serving as a volunteer and teaches ESOL, that's English language, at the Washington English Center in the United States. You all are aware by now that she's joining us from the USA. So it is morning for her and evening for us. Before going to work, she's going to take classes for you daily, and then she has to go to the office. And she's volunteered to do this. So thank you for that. A big applause for that.
Thank you.
She actually started teaching English and soft skills in many companies a few years ago. And she did complete her diploma in teachers training with Cambridge and TESOL certification with the American TESOL Academy. And from there, I think her tryst with teaching English started. She's also been a trainer with Allied Franchise. She's been a trainer with Cognizant India for a few years. And she's thereafter took up online teaching of English sometime in 2015. So she has the mix of both corporate life as well as the academic life. And she is really passionate about teaching English. She's been also an ESOL teacher with Casa de Maryland. That's where she lives, Maryland. So here we are, Ms. Hema Krishna, after a real brief introduction, because I know you'll be with her for the next few days. And please do open up, Vijay Kumar sir சொன்ன மாதிரி நானே எனக்கு படிக்கும் போதெல்லாம் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் அந்த அளவுக்கு தெரிய வராது. But our inhibitions, we have to shed our inhibitions. நமக்கு தெரியலன்றது இருக்கக்கூடாது. We have to open up. Mistakes will be there. Mistakes will be corrected. நம்ம பேசினாதான் மிஸ்டேக் இருக்குன்றது தெரியும். Luckily for us, Ms. Hema Krishna also knows Tamil. Adnala, so
yes.
You can be frank with her, and you can open up and say what you don't understand, where you want to stop, all those things. Today, ma'am, the breakout room is available for you. And now
yes.
The session is yours, presenting Ms. Hema Krishna for all of you.
Yes, before I just make one request to the college that all sessions, as much as possible, students have to be online, in camera, so that there is interaction which looks very personal. And muting and unmuting and speaking. Thank you very much. I'll let Hema take over.
Thank you, ma'am.
No worries. Yeah, I'm just excited about starting the program. because, like Captain said, I am very passionate about teaching English, and I've been doing it for so many years, and I found that it helps me because nanu deno I learn something new. எனக்கு எப்படின்னா ஒரு நாள் எனக்கு ஏதாவது புதுசா தெரிஞ்சதா very good. Yesterday we had some students and one person came up with a new song. So உடனே I went and saw அது என்ன பாட்டு that he likes and I haven't heard that song. So I'm very excited and that I'm also going to be learning from you. And so thank you so much to all of you students, because I really appreciate the fact that you are all spending your time after college and everything at 6:30 when you come. I'm very, very appreciative of the fact that you have come. So thank you so much for coming. And without much ado, let me go on to the next. And I have no idea why. There you go. So overview. Idha nama next 16 sessions. This is what we are going to do. So you are going to join me on Tuesday and Thursday from 6:30 to 7:50. And inniki I will send you an assessment before you leave. And in this course, this is what we are going to do. Modala, we are going to do writing a paragraph, writing emails, interview skills, making a PowerPoint presentation and giving a presentation, okay? And all this we have to combine with grammar, because at the end of it, you have to be grammatically correct. The strategies for practicing English in the classroom, every day I have taken a subscription for Hindu. So namadeno or article we will choose and some of you will read the article. Every day we will try and take turns to read the article. So the more you read, the more you have exposure again to English. And certain words that you don't understand, we will explain those words, okay? This session is going to be mostly with you participating, because I will only just give you directions. I will say, idu pannala, adu pannala. Adukaprom, you only have to take the initiative. And this is going to be a lovely small group where you guys will get to talk to each other, know about each other, tell me about things. So I'm hoping that you will like this interactive session. So strategy and then homework. I will give you homework. It will not be more than 15 minutes. I will, give you some options of going to websites where you can play games on your phone with, grammar. So all you have to do is just do a check, a tick mark or a cross, or you have to choose the correct answer. Andamari. So that way you will have fun learning grammar also, okay? Outside this class, watch the news. Even if you watch it in Tamil, tell me the next day in English. What is it you saw? So be aware of what's going on around you. So we can have an interactive discussion. Even politics. Again, it will only be to this class. There will be no arguments. It will only be communication. You will just tell us what you think and we will tell you what we think, okay? So anything, I mean, we can talk about anything. Movies, please do watch English movies. That way they help you. I mean, any movie that you watch, even if you watch a Malayalam movie and you don't know Malayalam, when you see the subtitles, they are very good nowadays. So at least you will be able to tell me the stories the next day. Songs. I love music. So here is what we are going to do in class. Every day, one of you will choose a song, an English song. And Arthanal, we will play it. For your next class, whoever has chosen the song, we will begin the class with the song. Okay? And then speaking to others in English, definitely. Here is what I also want you to think. What are the 3 things you want from this class? Neenga in the class ku vandirkel, what is it you want to do? This is so that it will help me to do the lesson plan. Moving on. Yes, at the end of 16 weeks, you can say, I did it, I did it, I did it. And so here is the first activity for you. Okay. So let me start out. Yeah. So in this activity, I will call out your name and you let me know what is your favorite dish. And with that, we will pair a side dish. Okay. And the main dish and the side dish, that is the person who says the main dish, the person who says the side dish, will go together in a breakout room. And so you have to remember who it is, okay? Because my memory also is not very great. I will try to write it down, but sometimes I forget. So basically what you need to know is getting into the breakout room. You need to ask your partner's name, where is she from, what is her favorite food. All these are just sample questions. You can tell me anything about her. You can ask your own questions. What is a favorite childhood memory? Where does she currently live? What was her favorite holiday? What are the 3 things she wants to learn in this English class? What is her intention? Okay. So you can ask, these are, like I said, just sample questions. So let me take out my, let me stop sharing. And let me go on to here. Let me find some names. Adila.
Yes, ma'am.
So Adila, whoever I call, yes, okay, great. Adila, you immediately unmuted. I love it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me your favorite dish.
My favorite dish is sandwich, which is now coming into my mind.
Okay, sandwich. Any particular sandwich?
Maybe cheese with more corn.
Okay, all right. Now, let me find Pranika.
Ma'am?
Yes. Tell me, with sandwich, what would you have? What would you have as a side dish with sandwich?
I think I'll go with French fries.
French fries. All right. Yummy. All right. Okay. So the next person is Najiha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Najiha, what is your favorite main dish?
I prefer fried rice, ma'am.
Fried rice. All right. Okay. Teresa, what would be a side dish you would have with fried rice?
Chili chicken, ma'am.
Chili chicken. All right. Okay. Moving on to Padma Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Unglora main dish, favorite main dish. Tell me.
Curd rice. I love
Curd rice, of course. If you are a chameleon, how can you not like curd rice? That's like dessert for us. Ella saaptittu, you have to have curd rice. All right. Let me find out another person. Sukan, no. Let me see who else is there. Bala Tripura Sundari. What will you have with curd rice?
Potato fries, ma'am.
Potato fries, is that what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hema, ma'am.
Yes, Cholungo.
Ma'am, can I just have a word with you?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm just interrupting in between your session.
Not at all. Tell me.
Ma'am, like I heard from group captain that every day an assignment will be given to the students, and we have
Yes.
created an exclusive WhatsApp group comprising of these 21 girls. Okay, so like, can I add you in that group so that you can directly interact with the students, or like
Yes.
you can post your assignments or whatever it may be?
Yes, that would be wonderful. So here is my number.
Okay, ma'am.
70322. So this is my India number, but I have it on WhatsApp web. Sure, that is my number. Perfect. I'm so happy because ordinary I can send it.
Yes.
That would be wonderful. Because Iniki, I want to give an assessment at the end of class. The assessment is not for them. It is for me to know what I can, emphasize on, what I can do. So Adana. And the same way, like you say, homework also, I will send it on the WhatsApp group, and that would be wonderful. Superb. Thank you so much.
Yes.
For
My name is
yes,
Sukanya.
otherwise I was also wondering how do we do this.
Yes.
So thanks so much.
Yes. Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am. And you can please carry on with your session. Sorry for interruption.
No problem, no problem. So the next person I see is Mursaline. Is that how I call your name?
Mursaline.
Mursaline. Okay, thank you, Mursaline. Tell me your favorite main dish.
Biryani.
Biryani, all right. And let's find you a partner. Majita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Majita, what would you have with biryani?
Of course, raita and chicken fry.
Of course. How can I not know that? All right. Moving on to Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me
like to
again.
go with French fries.
Sorry, tell me again.
I would like to go with fried rice.
French fries. So you want to be a side dish?
Fried rice, ma'am.
Oh, fried rice. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody else already said fried rice. Anything else other than fried rice?
Pizza, ma'am.
Pizza. Okay. All right. And let me find Srimati. Tell me with pizza, what kind of a side dish could we have with pizza?
Tomato ketchup, ma'am.
All right. Ketchup. All right. Moving on to Sabah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sabah. Tell me, what is your favorite dish?
Pasta, ma'am.
Pasta. All right. Okay. And let's find you a partner. Who should I find? Who have I left behind? Quite a few.
Nadia, ma'am.
Nadia, I thought Nadia has already said. No?
Nadia,
Yeah. Oh, Nadia. Okay. She is Najiha. And she is Nadia. All right. Yes, Nadia. Tell me, with pasta, what would you like to have?
Pickle, ma'am.
Pickle. Okay, that is a unique combination. Pasta with pickle. Okay, but everything goes. That is your thing. Who else have I left? Tell me the next person. I'm trying to see. Sorry?
Ma'am, Sai Shri.
Sai Shri. Yes, tell me, Sai Shri. Thank you for volunteering. And tell me.
Meals, ma'am.
Sorry?
Meals, Indian meals.
Indian meals. Okay. I don't know if you're going to like what I'm going to tell you after this, but it's okay. I will go with Indian meals. But what if you say Indian meals? That can't be like a main dish, right? Because what would I say with okay, let's go with Indian meals. That's fine. Chitra, tell me a side dish that would go with Indian meals.
Potato fry.
Potato fry. Oh, okay. Chitra. Okay, next. Sai Shweta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Main dish.
Potato fry, curd rice.
Only one you can tell me. Either you can tell me the main dish.
Curd rice.
Curd rice. Didn't somebody else already say curd rice? So tell me something else other than curd rice.
Sambar rice.
Sambar rice. Why not? Okay, and let's go with Ratika. Yes, tell me what would you like to have as a side dish to sambar sadam? You have to unmute or I can't hear you for some reason.
Ritika?
You probably have a loose connection. If you have your headphones on, your headphones have a loose connection. Okay, put it on chat. For now, just put it on chat. Can you see your chat thing? So just write it on chat. Can I see what you have written? No. With sambar sadam, what would you like to have? Papad. All right. Thappadam. Where are who else have I left out? Farmita?
Yes, ma'am. Parmita, ma'am.
Parmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Parmita. What is your main dish?
Homemade rasam rice, ma'am.
Homemade rasam rice. Very specific.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And who have I left behind? Who else have I
Nazira,
missed
ma'am.
out? Sorry?
Nazira, ma'am.
Nazira. Yes, Nazira. Tell me, what would you have with homemade rasam rice?
I'll go with mangoes, ma'am.
Just cut mangoes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I just got some yesterday. So here it's a rarity to get mangoes. But everyone in my family love mangoes. So, all right. The next person.
Ishrat, ma'am.
Ishrat. Yes, Ishrat. Tell me, what is your main dish?
I prefer shawarma, ma'am.
Shawarma. All right. And who else have I left? Who else is missing? There should be. Have I called all of you? So there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Are there 19 of you? Yes? No? Maybe so? Okay. No worries. So Ishrat, I will put you with the last group, okay? So let me quickly put you on to breakout rooms, and you have 10 minutes to 19 means 9 rooms. No, 8, yeah, 9 rooms.
Ma'am, there are 21 girls. Maybe 2 of them we are not able to. Girls, is anyone left? First ISM girls, have you all responded to ma'am? Sabha, just find out, no? First ISM.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think Bala Tirupura Sundari hasn't talked yet.
Where is she?
No, she spoke. She spoke. She said potato fries, Bala Tripura Sundari.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Teresa.
I'll tell you who I have. I'll tell you who I have. And you tell me who I don't have. Okay? I have Adila, Pranita, Najiha, Teresa, Padma Priya, Bala Tripura Sundari, Mursalin, Najita, Divya, Srimati, Sabha, Najia, Sai Shri, Chitra, Sai Shweta, Ratika, then who else? Parmita, Nasira, and Isra. Who don't I have?
Ma'am, Shruti MS from BCom CS.
Tell me again.
Shruti NS.
Shruti. Okay. Where is Shruti? Is she here? Shruti, are you here? Is she? Can you see her?
Yes,
Ma'am, also Keetana D from BCom Trendle is not here, ma'am.
Ah, okay. Kirtana. So 2 of them are missing today. Okay, let me just go ahead and create these rooms.